Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to switch hands in Counter-Strike 2 so you can hold your weapon in the other hand. The quickest way to switch hands is by pressing the default H key on your keyboard. This instantly moves your weapon to the opposite hand. If you'd like to customize this setting further, open the settings menu, then navigate to Game, Item. Here you'll find the option Preferred View Model Handedness, where you can manually switch between left or right-handed views. If you want to change the key binding for switching hands, go to the Key Bindings menu, find the Switch Hands option, and assign a new key. This is helpful if you prefer a different layout for quick access. For more advanced setups, you can use the in-game console. Open the console and type switch hands to switch your hands to either left or right hand. So basically that's it.